Through the gates of Falcon Ridge Estates on top of the hill, you will find my newest luxury listing with ocean and mountain views. This remarkable estate has almost 6,000 square feet of quality construction, all situated on 3.7 acres. And here's the best part, it comes with the guest house. The quality, style, views, and amenities of this home are truly like no other. This is exactly what a slice of paradise looks like right here on the central coast of Arroyo Grande, California. It truly doesn't get any better than this. Let's schedule your viewing for 2780 Coast View today.